Guys, good morning. Happy Saturday to everybody. Hope you're having a good start to the weekend. We've got a frost advisory that is issued here by the National Weather Service for tonight into Sunday morning. We think widespread, really the first widespread frost of the season awaits later tonight and into Sunday morning, especially if we can get these clouds to clear out. If we hang on to the cloud cover longer than some of the forecast models anticipate right now, we won't deal with frost. But if things clear out with high pressure moving overhead, look for frosty conditions to develop late tonight into Sunday morning. Current look at the visible satellite image shows lots of clouds around central and northern Indiana, some sunshine downstate. A little bit of a disturbance that's going to move through central Indiana later on this afternoon, and that's going to carry some rain showers south and east as we go through the course of the afternoon. And the HRRR forecast simulated radar is picking up on this quite well. We'll pause this here at 2 o'clock. Notice some of the rain moving into north central Indiana at the 2 o'clock hour, and then advancing this on into the 3, 4, 5 o'clock hour shows the showers continuing to slide off to the south and east. It's not going to be a huge deal. We're not looking at heavy rainfall, but it may hamper some of those afternoon plans, at least for a little while, especially if you have yard work you're trying to get done. It's going to be a chilly day, by the way. Highs only in the upper 40s to lower 50s with a brisk wind in place. And then we think as high pressure builds in later tonight, the skies begin to clear. Sunday will feature much more in the way of sunshine and temperatures that are still very crisp and fall-like, well below normal. Highs on Sunday only topping out in the lower to middle 50s. So let's take a look at the GFS model, and I've fast-forwarded all the way to Monday here. And that's going to be our next, back it up just a little bit, next frontal system will move southeast and will introduce the chance of showers into your forecast as early as late morning into the afternoon hours on Monday. Again, not a huge deal. The overall pattern is a much drier one really for the next 10 days. It's just these couple of pesky weak systems that will continue to produce the threat of rain again this afternoon and again Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. But as we put this into motion, you're going to notice that a much drier theme develops as we go through the course of the upcoming week. There are some indications that a storm system may brew for late month. Still way too early to really be specific on that, but the majority of the upcoming week, this is looking out at next Friday evening, continues to show high pressure in place and supplying a mostly dry work week. Before we finish things up, I just wanted to take a look at the latest GFS ensemble temperature anomaly, and you notice that the majority of this week is going to be below normal. As a matter of fact, if we look at the GFS temperature forecast, we're really looking at highs only in the 50s for the majority of the work week. We may crack the lower 60s on Friday and Saturday, but really a very cool and overall dry week. Again, with the exception of this afternoon and Monday afternoon with the chance of light rain. Guys, that'll do it for the video update here on IndyWX.com for a Saturday morning. Again, the big story is that frost advisory that is up across all of central Indiana for tonight into Sunday morning. We forecast overnight lows into the middle 30s for a large portion of the region. Stay tuned. We'll talk with you later.